Not only does the lace melt effortlessly to your skin, but the hair color is gorgeous. I know how much of a trouble wig tape can be. Keep watching. I'll show you step by step how to install using wig tape. So stick around, keep vibing with your girl.
I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Yeah. Okay.
Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and just won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you are subscribed so you can keep vibing with your girl. You remember the black colored version of this wig? Well, this one is a pre-colored version and I figured this color is perfect for the fall. She comes to you pre-everything, girl, literally pre-plucked. Beautifully pre-plucked. Mega Look Hair did a beautiful job pre-plucking this wig. They are flawless. Pre-cut, pre-bleached, beautifully pre-colored. The human hair is so soft, so silky, and the lace. Ooh, the lace. Look at that. If that's not skin melt, I don't know what is. Perfectly skin melt. Melted to my hand. Okay. This is so satisfying to watch. Anywho, it comes with the 3 combs, the grip for the back of the nape, and that pull string that we all love. You just pull it as tight or as loose as you want it, and that wig will be nice and snug. I promise you, girl. Now let's get into the install. I completely understand how annoying wig tape can be. So I'm going to show you step by step after we tint the lace how to apply the tape. So you apply it at the edge of it or as close to the edge as you can get it. Using a tweezer, we're going to remove the tape. It's very tedious, not tricky, very tedious, but it's worth it. But make sure you use that tweezer, and Mega Look Hair give that to you in that box too. They literally give you everything you need. No excuses. Okay. So all you have to do is put the wig in your head and that's it. We're going to apply the tape. Once again, we're going to adjust it at first. And then we're going to use the tweezer to lay down the tape carefully and slowly. I'm using both the tweezer and my nail to kind of give me an anchor to try to separate the cover of whatever plastic thing they got on the tape from the tape itself. You basically have to do it slow. Slow and steady wins the race, okay? No rush. Slow and steady, take your time. What's the rush? No, but seriously, take your time. Pull and then it should come apart very easily. It really should. All you gotta do is take your time and use that tweezer. Okay. Now this tape, it messed up on me. It did. But I didn't feel like doing another one. I really did not. But I ain't gonna lie to you, because you can see it with your own eyeballs. But that tape messed up on me. But we still laid her down. We did. We laid her down. And we pulled that string nice and tight and snug. I didn't need that melting spray. You saw that. But I'm extra. I'm going to go in with my Stick a Little Secret melting spray. And we're going to make that lace completely disappear. Now, the trick to a flawless hairline is to, as you blow dry, comb out those hairs that may get stuck to the lace for a clean finish. Comb out those hairs. Not only does it give you that clean finish, it also helps the lace to stay laid down. Because if you lay it down with hair stuck with the lace, it ain't gonna lay. It ain't gonna melt. It ain't gonna do what it's supposed to do. So make sure you get all that hair out of the way and then tie her down for a good 15-20 minutes. So I couldn't find my layering scissors, my hair scissors. So we just use what we had, okay? Use what we had at the moment. And it got the job done. So look at that. Look how flawless that looks. I mean, wow. Look at the hair color. Look at the silkiness. Mega Look Hair did it again.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Okay. You like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller. Controller.
I have linked this beauty right there in the description box below. Make sure you check out Mega Look Hair. They won't disappoint. Okay? And if you have made it this far, I truly appreciate you, queen. Make sure you like, comment, share this video out, and subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.
Like controller. Controller. Yeah. Like controller.